Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about middleware in ASP.NET Core. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. Alright, so first let's understand middleware. Middleware is a software layer that acts as a bridge between different components or applications, handling tasks such as request processing, response generation, authentication, and logging. Its benefits include decoupling, separates different applications component, promoting cleaner code, reusability, common functions like logging can be reused, enhancing efficiency and scalability, streamlines, communication, making the application scalable. So understanding the pipeline, a pipeline is a sequence of middleware components through which an HTTP request flows, where each component performs specific operations before passing the request to the next component. This structured flow allows for modular and efficient handling of request and response in web application. So here's a middleware example in ASP.NET Core. In this example, we implement three middlewares in a .NET Core applications to handle and modify HTTP requests and responses. We will also discuss middleware flow further in this video. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. First middleware is request logger. This request logger middleware class serves as a middleware to log incoming HTTP requests. So here's example. Private read-only request delegate next declares a request delegate named next. It represents the next middleware in the pipeline. Public request logger middleware request delegate next constructor takes a request delegate as a parameter and assign to it to underscore next. This way the middleware knows what to execute next after its logic is completed. Public async tasks invoke async HTTP context method is where the middleware's logic is implemented. The invoke async method is called by ASP.NET Core framework for each HTTP request. Await underscore next context, this passes control to next middleware in the pipeline. The await keyword is used because invoke async is an asynchronous method and calling underscore next might involve asynchronous operations. So the second middleware is request modifier. This middleware modifies the incoming request by adding a custom query parameter. So here's example. Third middleware is response modifier. This middleware appends a custom header to the response. So here's example. We have to register middleware in the program.cs file. So here's example. Now I'm moving back towards this diagram to understand the middleware flow. So first is incoming request. The request first encounters the request logger middleware which logs its details. Output logs the request method and path. Request modification. Next the request middleware so adds the custom query parameter. Output the request query string is modified and logged. Response preparation. The application process the request at this stage. No middleware modifies the output. Response modification. As the response travels back, the response modifier middleware adds a custom header. Output the response now includes a custom header. So final response is the response now modified by the middleware is sent to the client. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned middleware in ASP.NET Core for enhancing web application with custom request and response handling. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.